Hey Whisperer fans, it's Rachel Sheldrick here in my workshop today, and I'm here to give you the first month's report on our safety stop machine. So I'm just going to flick the camera around because the boys are actually doing one now, and let's get into how we went. So we've had it now for 4 weeks, and you can see just through there, that's the monitor telling us whether the test is passed or failed, and that one's passed. So for the first 4 weeks, we did a turnover of $3,790.24. So we had a GP on those jobs of 78%. So what we had actually no expectations of what kind of revenue that we would generate in that 4 weeks. What I was looking for long term is that it was going to, without finding any additional work to what was already booked in, that it would produce a minimum of $500 gross profit per week, obviously to put towards the investment. And that's pretty much we've achieved just over that in GP. So far so good. Last week was definitely our best week. We are including a $25 safety stop charge in each service now. So far everything's going really well. Our customers are really appreciating the report that the safety stop system produces for both their brakes and their suspension, and not a single customer has questioned why we would be doing that for them. If anything, we've been complimented on the additional service and advice that we've been able to deliver as a result of the tests. So if you have any questions about the safety stop and the Platronic system, then please comment below, and I'll catch up with you guys soon.